What's the meaning of bruised? Bruised. Bruised.
Bruised. Bruised. The term bruised refers to an injury caused by blunt force trauma that damages the small blood vessels under the skin. As a result, blood leaks from these vessels and accumulates in the nearby tissues, giving the skin a dark or purple color. Bruises can occur anywhere on the body and can vary in size and severity depending on the force of impact. Mild bruising may result in slight pain or discomfort, while more severe bruising can cause swelling, tenderness, and stiffness. However, bruises typically heal on their own within 2 to 4 weeks as the body reabsorbs the leaked blood and repairs the damaged vessels.